speaker. Anyways, Coils valve cover gasket, 10 millimeter coil screws. Those come right off. You see, we're gonna do all 4 of them. Super easy. Squeeze down, pull back. All 4 of these. You're gonna twist these to the left. A little flathead. And this thing will pop right out. Just like that. We're gonna have to get this nut off. And we're gonna take off these hoses to get the valve cover. So at this time we could go ahead and take off these coils. Just like that. Alright, so we got, it's 4 screws on this side, 4 on the back side, 1 there. See, it's another hole right there. It's another hole right here. I'm on the far left back side. Y'all be able to see it. Do a little screwdriver, pry up, then this valve cover is gonna come off. So you can see those old plugs really bad. So all we gotta do is just drop these in like that, and then tighten them back up. And we're not gonna put the old coils back on. We got a box, a brand new box of new ignition coils. See, they are same size and all that. So we're taking off this old valve cover gasket because it was leaking. We're gonna put on this brand new Felpro one. This one should hold out a lot better. I actually like Felpro a lot. I'm gonna put you some gasket maker just on those ends, so you can sit up right here where the timing covers at. And then we're gonna throw this back on here. Alright, putting the new coils back in. Easy. We just go right in. And we're gonna go ahead, be done before it starts raining real bad. Alright, so everything gone.